Imagine this. You check your bank account, that familiar knot of dread tightens in your stomach. The numbers haven't budged. Credit card debt, student loans, medical bills, they're all piling up, and every month feels like a losing battle. If this sounds like your reality, you're not alone. Millions of Americans struggle with unmanageable debt. So what are your options? You might have heard of debt settlement companies like TurboDebt. But what exactly is TurboDebt, and is it the right solution for you? Let's dive deep and unpack everything you need to know. Breaking down TurboDebt, debt negotiation with a twist. TurboDebt positions itself as a company that helps people conquer their debt. They do this primarily through debt settlement, a strategy where they negotiate with your creditors to significantly reduce the amount you owe. Here's the gist. You stop making payments to your creditors and instead deposit money into a dedicated savings account managed by TurboDebt. Once enough money accumulates, TurboDebt uses those funds to negotiate a lump sum settlement with your creditors. Ideally, you end up paying less than what you originally owed. Sounds too good to be true? Well, there are some catches to consider. The road to debt freedom with TurboDebt, bumpy with benefits. There's no sugarcoating it. Debt settlement comes with drawbacks. First, while enrolled in TurboDebt's program, you'll likely experience a temporary credit score dip. Since you're stopping payments to creditors, it can be flagged as delinquent activity. This can impact your ability to secure loans or lines of credit for several years. Second, the negotiation process can be lengthy. It typically takes 24 to 48 months to complete the program, depending on your debt amount and creditor cooperation. During this time, you'll be putting money aside each month, but not directly paying down your debt. Can feel like a slow and uncertain journey. On the flip side, debt settlement offers undeniable benefits. Successfully completing the program can lead to a substantial reduction in your overall debt burden. This frees up your monthly income, allowing you to breathe easier and plan for a more secure financial future. Is TurboDebt right for you? Weighing the pros and cons. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Good fit for. If you're overwhelmed with high-interest debt and struggling to make minimum payments, TurboDebt might be an option. It can be a powerful tool for those committed to the program's timeline and potential credit score impact. Not ideal for. If you're close to paying off your debt or prioritize having a perfect credit score, debt consolidation or credit counseling might be better alternatives. These strategies focus on repayment plans and improving your creditworthiness. Beyond TurboDebt, exploring your debt relief options. Remember, TurboDebt is just one player in the debt relief landscape. Here are some other options to consider. Debt consolidation. This involves combining your debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate, simplifying your payments. Debt management plan. You work with a credit counseling agency to create a repayment plan that distributes your monthly payments proportionally among your creditors. Bankruptcy. This is a legal process to discharge some or all of your debts. It has severe consequences for your credit score and should be a last resort. Don't feel pressured to make a quick decision. Research your options thoroughly, understand the implications of each strategy, and consider consulting with a financial advisor to explore what works best for your unique situation. Remember, getting out of debt is a marathon, not a sprint. With the right approach, commitment, and maybe a little help, you can overcome the mountain of debt and achieve financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.